Namaste. My name is Vivekanand. waketechnology.com is my website. This is a tutorial to explore YouTube Live. Now that Google Plus is being separated from YouTube, you no longer can create a Hangout on air pretty soon directly from your Google Plus. So Google Plus is a social media platform meant for serious business owners. This so far has a facility known as Hangout on Air, but uh, it is going away. Popularly known as HOA, this allows business owners to easily host video conferences and record the proceedings to YouTube. But Google has decided to remove this link between Google Plus and YouTube. You might ask why. A possible reason is YouTube content creators are always under copyright scrutiny. On a social media platform, such scrutiny is painful to implement for Google and seen as a major drawback by many users. YouTube Live is a facility available for everyone with a Gmail or Google account who have a good standing with regard to YouTube's copyright law and community guidelines. Let me take you through the steps involved in creating a YouTube Live event, how to engage with your YouTube subscribers, and how to run the actual event. Uh, I have been doing the same tutorial over and over again because changes are happening every day. So let me do a quick screen share and show you a little presentation. I would be covering create, promote, engage, and execute aspects. So let us start with creating a YouTube live event. Browse to youtube.com. Click on the My Channel option in the left-hand side menu. You're now seeing my YouTube channel. Now click on Video Manager. You would see live streaming option on the left-hand side menu if it has been enabled. Let me point out a few aspects that determine whether you are eligible to get YouTube Live enabled for you. First is your standing regarding copyright laws, as determined by YouTube. The icon with a smiley face there indicates my standing is very good. Next, your standing with regard to community guidelines. Monetization needs to be enabled. Monetization essentially allows YouTube to push advertisements to viewers of your video when they view your videos. You need to verify your ownership of your YouTube channel. Only then you would be able to have videos that are longer than 15 minutes. Live streaming option needs to be enabled. YouTube would determine whether you are eligible and it allows you to enable this option only when you are. You also need to enable embedding live streams. That's the only way you can embed YouTube videos in the live situation on your website. Now you need to click on the events as pointed by the green arrow there and click on new live event. That brings you to this screen. You need to key in relevant data there. Fix the date as indicated here and time. Note that the time is shown in 1500, 1600 hours like that, 24 hours format. You need to fill in the hashtags as you want them. And this allows you to do a Google Plus share when the event goes live. And if you have connected your Twitter account to your Google account, then from YouTube, a Twitter tweet would go out. Then click on the Create Event button. This is what you would get, and the events page on YouTube Live has undergone quite a few changes. And when you go to events page there, you see a little filter. It can show you three different types of events that are live now or upcoming events, and even the events that were completed previously. So that's what you would get, and the image that you see there, you have to put a proper thumbnail image there, otherwise you would get a blank black screen there. So to bring up your upcoming live events on your YouTube channel, you need to scroll down your YouTube channel page and modify certain things, add, and so on. So you need to pay attention to your YouTube channel. Now, to get the embed code to embed on your website, you click on the share button, share link as shown on screen there. You click on that, then this would appear, and then you need to there click on the embed link there, which would show you the iframe embed code. You need to copy that and paste it on your website appropriately. Next, you grab the URL from there as shown on the screen, and to integrate your YouTube live events and to remind yourself that you have a event scheduled, you need to create an event in your own calendar, and I suggest you paste the URL into the calendar. If you have a Google Calendar, you can take my suggestion and paste them there. Again, you can grab the URL as shown there from the page, same URL, and share it across all your social media. Share it on Google Plus, share it on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, anything else. There is also a possibility that you can share it as you create the YouTube live event. Now, I have shown you how to create, also how to promote, how to engage, and then execute. Execute. Let me cover engage in a bit more detail. For engaging, you need to respond to your posts that you did, you shared about your event. Then you need to respond. People would probably respond back saying, yes, I can't make this event. Can I watch the replay? Or somebody might say, I would like to be on the video stream. Would it be possible? So you need to respond to that appropriately, engage with whoever is coming back to your social media and responding it in that way. So you need to engage. Okay. How to execute? To execute, if you had created a calendar event around the time when your event is due, you would get a calendar notification. So you go to the calendar notification, you look at the description, and you can use the URL there which you pasted when you created the event. You browse to that URL, it will take you to this page, a page which looks like this. Then on that page, you need to click on the live events button. It's slightly roundabout way of doing things, but that's the only way I see now. You click on live events button there. That takes you to a screen which looks like this. You may have to scroll up and down if you have lots of events scheduled, and you may have to locate the one which is due to happen soon, and then click on the Start Hangout on Air button there, as highlighted by the red circle. So when you do that, this is something similar to what you would get, a screen which looks like that. And to actually start broadcasting, you need to click on the green button. Only after you click the green button, you will be broadcasting on your YouTube channel. If you don't, you may present your presentation, whatever, but nobody will see it. Even if you had somebody else invited, you can invite your guests by clicking on this icon there and inviting them into the video stream. But even then, unless you click on this green button, nothing will be visible to your YouTube viewers. So you need to click on that button. So that completes the tutorial. And let me come back into your view, and let me do another short screen share and show you how you can how you can share it using the buttons provided by YouTube itself. Okay. Let me start create a dummy event, for example, or shall I, okay, let me go back. Let me do a screen share to show you what I'm doing live here. So this is live now. If I go to live control room, this is what it shows. I looks like I have to create an event to show you what I want to show you. Okay. The other easy way to get to this is by going to, you can have a that as your, you can bookmark that. You can create a bookmark to indicate that www.youtube.com/my_live_events. If you have a bookmark like that, it will take you here. Now, let me create an event here, dummy one, demo. Now, now, and I can remove this. If I say now, then it says go live now. If I change the time, tomorrow, 1600 hours. I can create that event. Now, if I click there, this is what it shows. And what I want to show you is, if I click this button, it shows you this. So here, from here, you can share it to Google Plus, Facebook, Twitter, Blogger, Reddit, Tumblr, and this I think is some European, Greek or Russian, or I don't know which one. Pinterest, LinkedIn, all these places you can share this event, and this is the link where you can share it. This is the link that you can share. You can also make the video start from a specific point by saying start it 10 minutes into the video or something like that. Something like that. You can do that. So that is what I wanted to show. So hope it is useful. Yeah, this tutorial might go another iteration nearer the time when Google actually removes the link. There may be a lot more changes happening. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel, because from now on, YouTube channel will be a better place for you to get to know. And that brings me to an interesting aspect. Let me show that to you before I close this for today. Now, when I go to YouTube, let me go to simple YouTube, directly just YouTube. Let's say I want to subscribe to some specific channel. Okay. Let us say this one. Now, let's say I want to subscribe. When I click subscribe, it shows me this. And if I click on that, that gives me a choice to send me notifications for this channel. So if I click that and save, what happens is whenever a new video appears at this YouTube channel, I would get a notification. So from now on, that is what needs to be done by your subscribers. So hope that is useful. Thank you for watching. And as usual, I would say integrate, simplify life. Thank you.